Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 116. In this video, I'll be taking apart a Numark DJ control surface. This is a model N382. Most everything in here is buttons, some sliders, and knobs. I'll plug it in real quick, we'll get it to light up. So this side is the one that has control, and I can switch to the other side. And these knobs give you bass, mid-range, treble. Let's get a closer look here. Bass, mid-range, treble, a couple of gain controls. This one allows you to browse your playlists. I'm not going to go through all the different features this does, but there is something that is a little bit interesting with it. When you rotate it by touching the black pad like this, it'll go forward and backward as you would expect. But if you touch the outside, it'll do things a little differently. Anyway, I'll hit play on this one, and I'll play on the other side, and we'll see the sync light flashing every now and again. And that would allow you to sync the two decks. And this fades between the two. Anyway, now it's time to take this thing apart and see what's inside. I'm going to pause for a moment. There's a bunch of screws on the bottom. I'll go ahead and take them out, and I'll be right back. So the screws are out. I'm going to lift the cover off. There's a connector here. So to me it looks like this board would be used in several different models. Some that would use that connector. This particular one does not. Here we can see the underside of the platter. There is a clip in there. And there is a wire going to it. Try to get a view at the sensors here. I'm going to pull that clip off and see if I can get a better look at everything. I might need a bigger screwdriver. Oh no, it's coming out. And it didn't go flying across the room this time. With the platter out, we can see the tone ring. There are a couple sensors in there. So you can kind of see the sensors here. They would be offset, so it would be able to tell whether it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm not entirely certain how it does the inner ring versus outer ring when you touch it. It must be capacitive. There is this wire here that I pointed out earlier. By a closer look at the pad here, it looks like there's a conductive material underneath it. I'm going to take this large circuit board out. There's no point of taking these two boards out because this board is going to be the same as this section, and this board is going to be the same as this section. So I'll pull the big one, and I'll be right back. Alright, so all the screws are out. I have these two wires disconnected, along with the ribbon cables, and I pulled all the knobs. And now this board will lift right out. And now we can see the faders. This one's actually a button as well as a knob. Here's a much better look at the sensors for the platters. So this board would be the same as that section, and this board would be the same as this section. And here's the buttons. Looks like it comes out as one piece. So here's the LEDs. You can see the different colors. And this would sit right here. This little cross piece here is what pushes the button. Now there is some stuff labeled here. Let's get a closer look. That's a connector that was on the bottom. You can also see where the USB cable hooks up. That's kind of readable. That's the label for this connector. There's even a little information here. There isn't a whole lot in here, and I didn't expect there to be a lot. It is a USB controller after all. The software is doing all the work. As simple as it is, it does work quite well. I do have a lot of fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.